Welcome back to Olam's Tech. Today it's about an electrical device called transformer. Every day of our lives, we use dozens of electrical and electronics devices, and many times this requires a transformer, which although most people don't give much importance to it. Transformer is a component that allows us to use electricity in a more controlled way. Do you know if we connect our devices directly to a socket, the result will shock us? To interest you, this same component or electrical device make it possible to obtain electricity in our homes that was probably generated thousands of kilometers away. A transformer is an electrical device that uses the principle of electromagnetic induction to transfer energy from one electric circuit to another. So, transformers are designed to either increase or decrease AC voltage between circuits while maintaining frequency of the current. I know you are confused. Don't worry, I will explain. Inside of a transformer, there are two sets of coil. One, the primary coil, the other, the secondary coil. The coil in the primary side transfer energy by a magnetic induction to the secondary coil. So you can say the transformer works on the principle that energy can be transferred by a magnetic induction from one set of coils to another set of coils by means of varying magnetic flux. This magnetic flux is produced by an AC source. So, in a simple sentence, you can say a transformer is an electrical device that uses the principle of electromagnetic induction to transfer energy from one electric cycle to another. They are designed to either step up or step down AC voltage. Watch out for my next video where I'll be talking about different types of transformers, the step-up transformers, step-down transformers, their functions, power transformers, distribution transformers, and so forth. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification button. Thank you for watching.